Hello? May tower, yung ano? Soul Tower. Yun doon.
Yun ba yun?
Ito yun eh.
We are now here at the main hall of the National Museum of Korea. It's a very huge place. Now we will check the history 300 years ago. It's a very large place. There's a lot of kids, family, foreigners, and also handsome Filipino like Jeff are touring. We're going to enter.
We're not sure yet if there's a entrance fee.
Yes. We
Find
will
out.
check how much how much is our money left. Okay, I'm walking backward so you can see. Up. Wow, it's very huge. Very huge place, man.